lots of grease. Should really have a grease gun. Something to invest in. Really trying to pack it in around these bearings. They were extremely dry and there was a lot of encrusted dried grease. Really squeaky sounding when I spun it for the first time. Also put some grease on these inner surfaces as well. There's that. I had this off and took it all apart, cleaned inside there. I think I'll just put some here too. Why not? That'll need some cleanup later. Okay, hold on right there. Grease the threads of this little bit here. A cone, I think. The threads are reversed on this, so just being careful not to cross thread anything. Doing a sort of rolling restoration on this nice old Canadian BMX from, I believe, the 80s. Just bit by bit. So that's just finger tight for now. But you can see it's nice and smooth as well. And feels tight. And there's this bit here, which has a little bit of a lock on it to make sure it's in the right spot, which is right there. And again, why not put a bit of grease on these threads? And this will be a reverse thread as well. So lefty-tighty and righty-loosey. That's very nice, and I'm going to tighten that down. I don't have the actual right tool for it, but I'm just going to do it with this. And then feel it. There's no play, and it's rolling smoothly again. pedal back on. And I've got the chain off and cleaned up. It'll work on the rear wheel. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.